2016 BMW M2 Compact Performance with M-Power. The 2016 BMW M2 is a high-performance coupe that delivers pure driving pleasure with its agile handling, aggressive styling, and turbocharged power. Finished in the stunning Long Beach blue, the M2 stands out as a true driver's car. Under the hood, it packs a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine, producing 365 horsepower and 343 pound-feet of torque, with an overboost function up to 369 pound-feet. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, the M2 sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds. With M-tuned suspension, rear-wheel drive, and a limited slip differential, this compact powerhouse offers sharp cornering and track-ready performance. The 2016 BMW M2 is a modern classic, combining M heritage with everyday usability, making it one of the most exciting driver-focused sports cars of its time.